I'm meteorologist Gilbert Rosette. I am in Borough Park in South Plainfield, New Jersey on this Sunday morning, reporting a warm, muggy start to the day with sunshine at this 10 a.m. hour or so, and we have seen plenty of sunshine and hot conditions over the last few days. We did officially have a heat wave, with the temperatures being above 90 degrees or higher for inland sections. That was for Thursday, Friday, and yesterday. Today, more clouds, the arrival of a weather front, and rain in the forecast, we will end the heat wave. Not likely to get to 90 degrees today. We'll probably spend much of the day between 80 and 85 or so as we watch those clouds and that weather system bring us that opportunity to eventually cool things down, lower the humidity, and bring us back to some nice, clean, refreshing air that we've missed for several days, but that will come for the start of the work week. But for today, the second half of the weekend, looking for those clouds to arrive, and then the rain with that arrival of the weather front looks to be here between, let's say, 3 and 4 p.m. first in northwestern sections of New Jersey. They will see the first signs of this weather front and showers and storms, and then much of the rest of the Garden State, New York City, will see the rain arriving between 4 and 5 p.m. and then it may take as long as 6 p.m. for the wet weather to arrive on Long Island. With all this heat and humidity and the weather front, a strong one, so that gives us the possibilities for any of these storms to have heavy downpours, at least that, and gusty winds. We'll also monitor the storms for the possibility of severe weather as well, so we'll watch those for you. As the radar images start to come in and we watch those storms develop, we'll let you know if they become severe. But count on at least the storms having, again, those gusty winds and heavy downpours, which could deposit a good inch to maybe even 2 inches in a quick period of time. So flooding on the highways and the streets looks to be the highest threat anyway from these storms. That threat for wet weather will continue into the evening. Before the storms arrive again, I wanted to mention that the highs will get to about 85 degrees. That's inland, and as has been typical, cooler temperatures along the shore with upper 70s there along the beaches as well for the coast of New Jersey and the south shore of Long Island. So with the storms arriving this afternoon, that will continue into the evening as well and the overnight too. And any possibilities of severe weather, we'll watch those for you, but again, the main threat looks to be heavy rain and gusty winds, and temperatures will fall into the 70s this evening, and then overnight dropping into the upper 60s, and you'll wake up to those readings on Monday with the umbrella required as you head into work as well, because I think the rain threat will be highest, at least for the first part of the day. And then we'll watch that weather front slowly move east and move out of the area for, let's say, the afternoon. And with that, the weather front moving away, the wind direction will shift and change to a cooler, drier, more pleasant, refreshing direction to the northwest. And that'll be the first signs of, again, this change in the pattern, the change in the air mass coming, especially for Tuesday and Wednesday, when both of those days will see highs in the 70s, and for those days we'll have much less humidity and bright conditions, good sleeping weather even as early as Monday night, and then especially Tuesday night and Wednesday night with those readings dropping into the 50s. So real refreshing weather coming, and great sleeping and more comfortable weather for the nighttime hours later on in this forecast period. So the threat for severe weather is there today and tonight. The weather front will bring us the rain and eventually cooler temperatures, especially tomorrow and then Tuesday, even Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the 70s. Meteorologist Gilbert Rosette in Borough Park in South Plainfield, New Jersey, seeing the sun for now, waiting for those clouds to arrive, and then certainly watching for those storms later today and tonight, and then happy to report some great weather coming. Even tomorrow, despite the rain, it'll be cooler, and then really great weather for Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the 70s and great sleeping weather, with the next chance of rain coming Thursday or Friday.